Make money with data annotation jobs tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, and welcome to this video where I talk about data annotation and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what data annotation is, data annotation is the process of labeling or tagging data with metadata and descriptors or annotations to provide context, meaning, or structure to the raw data. In the context of machine learning and AI, data annotation is essential for creating labeled data sets that can be used to train and improve AI models. This involves labeling data points with specific attributes or categories such as bounding boxes for subject detection, text classification levels, sentiment analysis levels, or speaker identities for audio data. Data annotators must adhere to annotation guidelines and standards to ensure the accuracy, consistency, and reliability of annotations. Specialized annotation tools or platforms streamline the annotation process. Collaboration among annotators enabling the creation of high-quality labeled datasets that power various AI applications, including computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. So, without any skills, guys, you can't earn money on Fiverr through data annotation. Involves offering your services as a freelancer to annotate or label data for clients who require assistance with their projects. So the only thing you have to do is create a Fiverr account, start offering your services. As you can see, there is a small number of offers comparing with we have a small number comparing with other services. So here we have, for example, this one. Let's see logo design, how much offers we have. So as you can see, over 240,000 results, or that's mean over 240,000 offers. So let's see another one, for example, video and animation. So let's see video editing. As you can see, here we have over 69,000 of results. That means over 69,000 of offers. So it's really a strong competition. Comparing with data annotation, you can start it easily. So how we can get, or how we can be a data annotator. So the only thing you have to do is open your web browser and type fiverr.com. Then you will select here to it will let you to the home page. So there is two ways to go or to start as a data annotator. First of all, you can click over here and then you will go to data annotation, or just you can scroll down like that and a lot of services appears. You will go to data and then you will go to data analysis. Here is data annotation, click on it, and here we have our offers. So without any advanced coding skills, you can start data annotation. If we scroll down, you'll know that it's possible to earn money by offering these services. As you can see, the minimum amount here is $5, and you can find $10, you can find $20, you can find, why not, $100. So it's depend on how much services you give and how much time you need to finish or to get its job. So let's see, for example, let's select an offer to more understand. So let's select that one. So this is it. As you can see, this is the title. I will tag, annotate, and label your images to bring AI to life. So as a data annotator, um, It will be your task is labeling items, images as example, videos by marking these objects or drawing circles, squares around them. For charge, it's $5 for the basic one for 400 bounding boxes delivery in 1 day, and for the standard one is $40 for 3,600 bounding boxes delivery in 2 days, and for the premium one, that means advanced one, is $125 for 10,000 bounding boxes and delivery in 6 days. So you can find the same offer, but you cannot find the same details here. It's depend on the one who make offer. So it's depend on data annotator how much time he needs to get this job or to finish this job, and how much bounding boxes he can attend. So let's see another example to more understand. As you can see, as you can see here we have the basic one, $5 or 400 bounding boxes delivery in 1 day, but the standard one it's totally different. We have here $18 for 4,000 bounding boxes in 2 days, and the premium one it's $2,000 instead, $125, and with the same number of bounding boxes, but it's not the same delivery. Here we have 5 days, but here we have 6 days. So it's depend, as I said, on how much time you need to finish this job and how much bounding boxes you can get. So this is it, guys. You can earn money by just learning the basic thing about data annotation. And there is another platform, guys, you can earn money from it, um like Fiverr. So here we have another one, it's Audiobee. So Audiobee, it's audio data. It's a platform you can earn money by clicking here becoming a freelancer, and you can start as a data annotator, and you can get a jobs, and then you will start earning money. For the second one is Toluca. So here we have uh, to look up platform, to look up website. You can just click over here, login, and then you will scroll down. I am ready to earn money. Login as a looker, and then you will log in with Google or with Facebook, and then you will start as a freelancer. So you can just learn the basic thing about data annotation, and it's really a simple thing. You don't have to need any advanced coding skills or any special skills to start as a freelancer. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.